Our ultimate goal is serve our customers well, but then also become the digital ninja that really can plug partnerships in at ease in a simplistic way that heretofore has never been able to be done. I'm Kurt Kehrus. I'm president of Tab Bank. Tab's been around for 22 years, and we've never had a branch. We've always served our customers through the internet, through means that were not typical for banks. We were born and bred to serve the mobile customer. From that DNA, then we set a vision of what the bank could be. We started investing in technology and services that the bank could use to bring the best of community banking to the mobile phone, to the digital banking world. Banking's here to serve you, the customer. When customer succeeds, we succeed as well. And that's a different paradigm, and that's the promise of digital banking. I think that's when it gets exciting. I think that's why there's billions of dollars being invested in technology to do this. You combine that with a trust factor, with a great experience, the consumer then is better off. The consumer sleeps better at night, the consumer has a better experience, and there's a loyalty factor.
As an online bank, we are highly focused on the digitalization, innovation, infrastructure modernization. We are building this middleware using all modern tech stack to support our digital transformation projects, which is online banking project, open banking project, and C360, our internal customer relationship management. This will allow us to have a holistic view of our customer financial health, and also we can partner with other financial institutions and banks as we grow our business. My name is Ravi Tiwari. I work here at Tab Bank as an enterprise architect, and I'm responsible for overlooking the current architecture, making sure we're up to date on our technology. We were looking for really a great system which can have guaranteed messaging, which can provide us a great support, which can have a dashboard where we can go and configure resources, which has a data at rest and in transit security, which can provide us a migration strategy from one environment to another, which can have a hybrid cloud support, which can have Kubernetes support. All these things were not possible in any of the products which we have seen outside. Also, with experience in the finance industry, all these things we choose Solace. Solace gives us a peace of mind because we are in good hands. We have a good support team. So we know that today, when we are starting, at this early stage, when we're going to move to a more cloud native or a hybrid cloud solution, then we know we are in good hands. We can just use Solace.
For a bank like Tab, we've invested millions of dollars the last few years in technology to help us serve our customers better. When we look at, what is the ROI for these types of investments, it comes from a myriad of places. The future, as we project out, being able to scale digital but personalized service, when you scale that, the returns just skyrocket. Beyond the growth for the bank, as we've turned on and implemented additional digital capabilities, we've seen our Net Promoter Score go from upper 40s. This year, Net Promoter Scores are 72. 72 puts us in the very top sphere of the best banks in the country. We went out and we chose Solace because of a reputation, because of a culture, because of a performance of the services, and because of a passion for investing in the same things we are. That passionate belief, as boring as it may sound to somebody not in the industry, but that passionate belief that the value of that, the security and value of that data, cherishing the data, right, treating it like gold, literally, is really important because that data is the key to serving. The future of where all that's heading then is how do you become the premier partner? As we go the next couple of years, our intention is for people to understand that we're one of the best digital banks out there to partner with. We have robust, secure platforms, the best in cybersecurity, the best in compliance management. Tab Bank then is a nimble partner.
Create resources on fly. We have a proper CI/CD pipeline, which we can use to create resources, migrate from one environment to another.
Our consumable API stacks and our consumable interfaces will allow us to stand up new relationships with service providers or provide banking core services to those service providers to their end customer.